Okay, we're on case 2 now. Part A, case 2, 2A. And with this, we take 100 grams. This is 100 grams at 30. It's shifted a little bit. We'll put it at 30. And this 200 grams at 70. That's this one over here. And we're supposed to take a 50 gram. This is a 50 gram, and we're supposed to put it somewhere where it balances. Let's see, it's still a little heavy on this side. So let's move it over. Still, we may have to move that one out further. Okay, that's close. Let me make sure that we're at 30 here. There's 30. It's easy to see with the string. And we're at, put it at 70. That's at 70. And let's see, that looks nicely balanced. Where did I end up? This is at 8. If we want to be picky, it's like 7.9. Oh, you can't see it over there. Let me move it over. Hopefully everything is visible. Yeah, that's not quite on the 8. Let's put it, let's see what happens. It's so nicely balanced. We're just going to take, I'm going to write 7.9 centimeters. 7.9 centimeters on that. Now, the 7.9 isn't the moment arm, it's the 49.6, I think it is, minus the 7.9 that you have to write down. 7.9 centimeters. Okay, case 2. Hopefully we have enough room. I think we do. We might have to move it over. We're supposed to put the 100 at 20. Let's take this one off. The 100 at 20 and the 200 at 60. Need to move it over. Oh, now we're going to have to move. It's a little top heavy. It's a little heavy on this side, so we're going to have to move the 50. Oh, too much. Let's. Okay, let's check what we have. We have 100 at 20. 100 at 20. We have 200 at 60. And let's see, that looks nicely balanced. I think you can see all the data on there. Sorry for the glare from the window. And we have 100, I'm sorry, 50 grams at 67.3 centimeters. 67.3. Now, you're supposed to actually calculate it out before we find it experimentally. I just found it experimentally first, but you go ahead and do your calculations for that one. Okay, and that ends case 2.